guys, so this is the new way to get into Hollywood Studios. How you used to get off at the tram up front? Well, yeah, that's not so much. We got dropped off way back further, and now there's this walkway. You can see the Skyline platform right there. There's the entrance way back here. They expanded the parking lot, but as you can see, it's completely different than what it used to be. Alright, I'm going to keep walking until we turn this corner so you can see what it looks like. See all the posts for the new gondola system. Alright, so then you go this way to the front. So stay tuned for more updates as we see them. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and get alerts so that you never miss a video. Thanks.